Here is Philip from Little Help. So here it is, my new Asus Zephyrus G14. So let's go to open this box. I was dreaming about this laptop. I read a lot of reviews and I found out that probably is the best value for the money you pay for it. If you want to play games and also for work, I'm a programmer, so for me it's a good processor. It's very important for compilation. Very nice box. I bought version with Ryzen 7 4800 and with graphic cards NVIDIA 2060 RTX. So here it is. Power cable. This is adapter for charging. It's 180 watts. There is some very short manual. Warranty card. I want to mention that this version is without NVMe, so without LED diodes. Also it's full HD resolution with 120 Hz, and if I compare it to my old Asus laptop, 17 inches is wow, it's a big difference, as you can see. Yeah, this old is very high, so it was difficult for me to carry it with me, and this it looks like that you can take it where you want. So let's open it. Looks very nice. Keyboard is very good. So thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, and probably I will record another videos about how to connect it to external monitor. Bye.